Hello, today I'm making a tortilla pizza. You take your tortillas of your choice. They could be corn flour or regular flour or spinach. And you put them on a hot griddle. And when they start to bubble, you know that the other side is getting a little toasted. So let's check it out. That looks good. So you want to toast one side first. Then you put a little tomato paste or sauce on it and spread it all around. Then I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Add any kind of cheese you want. You could add any vegetables you want, mushroom, black olives. I added some provolone. You can take slices of provolone and just add it. I have some homegrown fresh Thai basil. And you just wait till the cheese melts. Add a little garlic, granulated garlic, not garlic salt, not garlic powder, just granulated, dehydrated garlic. I like a little chili pepper on it. You can see the cheese bubbling. But I like to wait until the provolone is melted. You can put a lid over the top to speed up the melting of the cheese. But I think this is pretty much done. So try a tortilla pizza. Makes a nice lunch. Thank you for watching.